Hi, this is Judd with PresenterMedia. I hope you're doing well. In this video, we're taking a look at the AI presentation wizard, which will just allow you to make slides really fast, and AI will choose what slides to put in your presentation deck and also generate the text for them. So let's get started. I'm signed into PresenterMedia. And to access the AI presentation maker and the wizard, you just go to your dashboard and go click on Create AI Presentation right here. Or up in the top navigation, you can click on PowerPoint Templates and click on AI Presentation Maker right there. I'm just going to click the button right here, the purple button. And it will open up, and you can see the first thing right here is the AI presentation wizard, what we'll be talking about. And the first thing you can do is, what's your presentation about? And you can type in what your presentation is about. I'm going to copy and paste some stuff, so just I'm not typing and taking up more time. And I'm just going to type that. And if I click start with 5 slides, you can go with 10 or 15. And you can also just later on in the process, as you build this out, you can add more slides along the way. And we'll go over that soon. So I could click let AI pick and outline my slides, but I'm going to go a little bit more deeper in detail. Copy and paste this in. And I can expand this window I'm typing in right here so I can see more of it. You can see I have slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, and slide 5, and what those slides should be about. So you could put 10 slides in there, and you could select 10, 15, but I'm just going to go with 5, and I got all my slides, what they're about. And then underneath here, we're just going to go up one spot here real quick. Optional step right here is to add a reference. You could put a Wikipedia page in here as well, so it pulls information from that Wikipedia page to build a presentation about. You can also upload a document here that AI will search the document for key phrases, key messaging, and add that into your presentation. Okay, I'm not going to do that for this video. So I'm going to go down here. So now you have this general design style. So this is just how you want your slides to feel, the design look of them. So curved flow is more flowy, more organic. Curved edges. Bold diagonals is more slants, hard edges, and classic linear is more straight edge. Linear edges. So keep that in mind as you select yours. I'm just going to go with curved flow, and once I got that done, I'm just going to click let AI pick and outline slides. Okay, so I'm back, and AI has picked my slides and shown me previews of the slides it's selected. These aren't the final slides, but they do have underneath each one of them what the slide is going to be about. So you can take a look at that and read through that and edit any text in here that you want to change. But once you're done with that, you'll just click Build Presentation right up here. You might have to scroll up to see that Build Presentation Preview, or down in the bottom left you can click that button as well. And we will just click that. Okay, and then it's come back with all my slides that have been filled out with text about each one of those slides I put in the description. So that's all for the AI presentation wizard, how to use it. Once you download, or once you're finished, you can go here, download PPTX, and you're ready to go. All right, so thanks for watching this video. Join me on the next videos, which will show you how to generate images for your presentation and pick theme colors. So be sure you check out that, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.